If you want to bring your pictures to life with AI and create yourself a sweet little movie like this, follow along and see how easy it can be. Now first up, you're going to need yourself an AI program to convert a picture to moving video. We're going to do Runway ML, so just type that into Google and you'll come up with this web page here. Now you can sign in with your Google account or Apple account, completely free. It's going to cost you nothing. Now there are obviously a paid subscription, but you can just choose the free one. Now you just need to select start with image. Then you can upload your picture there. Now you can see I'm working on my little superhero Lex Luthor versus Superman movie comic. Now once you've uploaded it, you can hit generate 4 seconds at a time. There you have it. I've animated my little picture here. Let's take a look. Not bad, nice and easy. Now you can just view it in full screen. Once you're happy with it, you can hit the download it and save it straight to your computer. Easy as that. Now like I said, you can do 4 seconds at a time, but you can do up to 16 if you want. Not too bad if you really want something a bit longer. Now if you still feel like you need some help, you can always go to the resource section on the bottom of the web page there. It's got heaps of little handy hints there and little videos that you can watch to give you a bit of extra advice, hints and tips and trick. You can do some pretty cool stuff with it if you want to spend the time and learn about it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you and you got something out of it. Spend some time mucking around and playing with it. Make yourself a nice video. Enjoy.